Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to use Flipgrid. I really enjoy using this tool because my students were able to turn on their cameras and practice their speaking activities. And I assign here the speaking activities. So first of all, you have to go to Google or anywhere you want to go from internet, and you go and you find Flipgrid. Okay, this is the name. Here you can find it. And then you have to click here where it says Educator, sign up, and they're going to ask you some things like I said before, but because I already have this account, I'm going to go to Edu. Okay, I'm going to log in. As you already know, you can create, this is the page, okay, your home. So here it's going to appear to you all your groups. You can have it like this. These are the two ways that you can have and you can see your groups. And here you can create another group. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. Okay, so I have 9 topics in total. Okay. So what we're going to do is I already create this one, but I'm going to share with you how to create it. You will go here, which says group, and you can edit the theme like you saw before. Here is the different like themes that you can use, or if you want to, you can upload it. Okay. I use these ones. I'm going to go back here to share with you. I use these ones that I created using Canva. Another day I can share with you how to do it. So I already have this group because I already created. Okay, so imagine that we're going to start from scratch. You edit your imagine, let's see, people, let's use this one. So you add, and here it's going to ask you to name the group. Okay, so you can use create group. So you just type the name and click create. Okay, so it's going to appear to you here. So this one, like I said before, this is my group. Automatically it's going to appear to you like an example. Okay, but what I do is that I delete the topic. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't delete it. So go here and delete it. And here you can create as many topics as you want in each group. So you go where it says topic, and you're going to type the title and description. What I do here also is that I share like in the instructions. Okay, you can add an image, you can add your recording, your video, an emoji, you can upload a video, you can share a link or something that you want. Okay, yes. And here you're going to say how much time do you want them to record, to the time that you want the students to last. Most of like 2 minutes. That's what I ask. So when you're done, you click which says save group. Okay, so this is the group that I already created. I already have a member. Okay, so this is the activity that I share, my favorite place. And here the question, you have to answer this question, talk about your favorite place. So when did you go there? Why did you go there? Who was with you? Where did you go? How did you get there? So these are the questions that I'm going to check that the students answer while they are sharing their favorite place. Why is their favorite place? So I'm going to share with you how it's going to appear to the students. Here you have a join code, okay? But in this case, I'm going to share here. I'm going to go back where I have my group and where I have to create the topic, and here what says share. It's going to appear to you this one. Okay, so you're going to copy, and I'm going to share with you this, how it's going to students see it. Okay, so this is the way that students are going to see it. First of all, because it's going to be the first time they're going to type their name. You have different ways to share this to the students. You can add the members using their account, okay? Or you can add them using Google Classroom. That's something that I really enjoy. So this is how it's going to appear to them. And they automatically is going to appear a response. So they click here and they will be able to add a response, okay? Right now, I think that you won't be able to see it because I'm using my camera, I think. Let's give a couple of seconds. Okay, so here it doesn't allow me to share the camera because I am using it right now because I'm recording. Give me just 1 minute. Okay, so what I did is that I turned off my camera, but you can see me, right? So this is how the students are going to be able to see it. They have different options here, okay? They can do different things. Here, this is for them to start recording. 3, 2, 1. And they can start recording what they want to do. While they are recording, they can add effects, they can add photos, they can add images, they can change the background, they can do a lot of things, okay? So this is really awesome because you can do a lot of things. So I really enjoy doing this. You can type, you can share, they can start creating something while they are recording, okay? Also, like I said before, they can add photos, okay? So let's imagine that I'm going to add here because let's see this one. Okay, so, and they can move around, they can do this. Okay, so they can change it to my draw, okay? Or here you can draw the name, okay? Okay, so here is my example. So when I stop it, you can retake it if you want to check it again. You can redo it, or you can go here what says next. And they can start recording what they want to do. While they are recording, and here you can see it how I created and everything, right? If they want to, they can delete it, okay, or they want to make it short here. It's up to them, okay? But you can tell them that they can retake it or do it again as many times as they want, okay? If they think that that's okay, so they have to confirm, okay? So here, when they're going, before they submit it, you have 4 options here. What are these 4 options? Here you can choose your front, like your cover. Okay, so I'm going to say that I want, let's see, this one. No. I want my draw, so it's going to be a little bit difficult for me, so this one. So during the video, they have the option. Okay, so during the video, they have the option to choose like one part of the video in order to have it as a frame. Or they can take a selfie. Or they can, let me see here. Okay, so let's imagine that's a good one. Or they can upload a photo, or they can add a name tag. What does that mean? That automatically they can choose what will be the just this style, because automatically takes the one that you already have here when you access it. And then you submit. You have to wait a couple of seconds depending on the time that they took to record. Remember that to them it's going to appear to them white the time. If you have to share it, here you have the option to share this one, okay? Or you can click done. When it's done, we're going to go back to the teacher, and here we'll see that we have one response from who? From Amy. And you will be able to go here and here. You can write a comment if you want to. Okay, you can, or you can hide it if you don't want the students to see it, only you. Or you can share it also, okay, and here you have other options, okay. And of course, add a comment. Something that I do is that I write a comment because, well, that's something to make them see that we watched the video, right? So I really try to do that. And also, if you want to, you can, it's going to appear to them in Classroom, of course. Okay, so this is Flipgrid, and I hope you enjoy. Like, I really enjoy explaining to you this amazing app that you can use for and with your students. You should try it. See you next time.